This is your host, Noor Ali. This is NIST Cybersecurity Framework. In USA, 110% of the time, that's what they follow. NIST Cybersecurity Framework. Identify, protect, detect, respond, recover. You got to know your blue, you got to know your purple, you got to know your yellow, you got to know your red, you got to know your green. Remember, these colors. Blue, purple, yellow, red, green. No matter it's A+, no matter it's Network Plus, Security Plus, no matter it's Server Plus, and other CompTIAs. CompTIA got sold to another company. Now they're going to be a profit company. So obviously their cert's going to go up in price. Study, study, study. Practice, practice, practice. Try, try, try. Let me repeat this. Let me repeat this for all newcomers, new joiners who want to get into security, who want to get into IT. Let me repeat this one more time. Try, try, try. Practice, practice, practice. Try, try, try. Practice, practice, practice. You fail, you try again. You fail, you try again. You fail, you try again. There is no ifs, there is no buts. Okay? But this NIST cyber security framework, identify, protect, detect, respond, recover. Memorize this. Memorize this. Memorize every square in here. This is how you're going to be a master in security, master in DevOps, master in IT, and be a pro. Okay? Remember, identify, protect, detect, respond, recover. Identify, protect, detect, respond, recover. I love this. Anyhow, anyway, this is your Bible right here. Okay? Once more, I say to all my subscribers, thank you very much for the great comments. Thank you very much for the lie. Oh, not the lie. My bad. My bad. Thank you very much for the likes. Okay, for the likes. For the likes. And my aim, my goal is to share, teach, grow, and learn. Every content that I have there has value to it. Okay? Other tools are tools, right tools for right job. But if I'm going to talk about networking, security, it's going to be real stuff. Okay? That is valuable. That is still correct today. It has value if you learn it and you understand it. I'm not going to waste my time with anything nonsense. That is not my channel is about. That is not what I do. That is what I don't want to do. It is about identify, protect, detect, respond, recover. Know this. Cybersecurity framework. Okay? This is your host, Noor Ali. Thank you very much.